Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto TV. This is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we will be looking at few technical indicators and try to understand what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly start it with the Bitcoin first. And if you look at the current market price, which is trading at 28,700. So we were talking about this thing that the support level of 29,140, it's actually was a very important level. And if you just look at the current market price, so which is actually trading slightly below than that. So I am not changing the levels here because the market is still open, and let's just wait for the closing price. And if the closing price closes below than 29,140, then we need to change the levels. Otherwise, there is no change, because if you look at the price momentum, so not much momentum we can see till now. But again, the evening session is there, so maybe we might get more fall by that time. And if not, if the fall is not there, then we don't need to change the levels here. So if you look at the overall trend, we are in a downtrend. And if you look at the RSI, which is at 32. Now looking at the moving averages, so for 50 EM is at 34,495, and 100 EM is at 37,767, and 200 EM is at 40,975. No change in the levels. So support 1 is at 29,140, support 2 is at 25,823, resistance 1 is at 32,330, and resistance 2 is at 35,335. So let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin. So this is the chart. One thing which looks here little different from the other cryptocurrencies is that if I specifically talk about the Ethereum, so we had a good fall yesterday, around 7% or 8% fall that we have seen in that cryptocurrency, but that wasn't happen here. So even if you look at the yesterday's candle, so that that went below than this particular support level, but somehow it manages to close above than that. So that is also a sign that yes, the Bitcoin is not breaking this level. It's not closing below than this particular level. So this is something which is going different with the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we need to wait. We might if that fall needs to continue, then we might able to get more fall today, or maybe in the upcoming few days. So that is something you can look at here. Still, the price is trading slightly below than this level. So let's just wait. But that fall, today's fall is not that much big that we can consider to change the level. So that is something we can wait here. And if you look at the volumes here, so volumes are also very less. Now this is for the Ethereum, and this is for the Bitcoin, I'm sorry. And for the Ethereum, you can look at here and you can see that the price is currently trading at 1780. So again, for the Ethereum, the psychological level was at 2000, and then for a very good time, for a very long time, you can see the price was holding up a level of 1950, and recently it made a low of 1700, and yesterday it made a low of around 1711. So again, the price again and again testing that lower level, and it's still trading below than the 1800 level as of now. So if you talk about the overall trend, we are in a negative trend. Downtrend is there. And if you look at the RSI, which is at 31. Now if you look at the moving averages here, so 50 EM is at 2435, and 100 EM is at 2700, and 200 EM is at 2915. Looking at the levels, support and resistance levels, no change in that. So support 1 is at 1724, support 2 is at 1510, resistance 1 is at 2145, and resistance 2 is at 2336. Let's quickly move on to the Ethereum chart. Right. Now, if you look at here, if you look at the current momentum, yes, so this is the momentum. So I think, in the past few videos, in one of my videos, I was discussing this thing that, if the price goes below than 1950, we might able to get more, fall. So this is something, happened yesterday, because, every time the price is falling, and it's just holding up the support level at 1950. So yesterday it was a pressure from the sellers with the good volumes, and we can see a fall of around 8%. Till now, you can see the price is just holding up a support of 1724, 1725 level. So, which is a good sign, which is which shows that yes, the buyers are there. But if the price is not able to hold this level, then we might able to get to see a more fall, and then we might able to see a 1510 level as well. Now, the upside, in case of the Bitcoin and in case of the Ethereum, we were talking about for the Bitcoin that 32,330 levels is an important one. If the price closes above than that, we might able to get a trend reversal. And in this case, in the case of Ethereum, the level was 2145. Now that upside looks little bleak, for both of the cryptocurrencies, and we might able to see a little more fall, if the Ethereum is breaking this 1725 level. So if that happens here for the Ethereum, we will definitely see more fall. And in case of the Bitcoin, if the 29,140 levels, if the price comes below than that, closes below, then that, definitely we will see more fall in the Bitcoin as well. So this is how you can, look at the chart, the technical analysis for these two cryptocurrencies. We have talked about the overall trend, and we are basically conducting this analysis for just to educate people, just to give you an idea that what and where the cryptocurrencies can go. And I hope you people are liking it. So thank you so much for watching us.